What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, guys, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Frisky Friday video, I will be doing some TikTok food hacks. Now, TikTok is basically this app where people post videos for entertainment. Some videos are like dancing videos, other videos are like makeup videos and stuff. On there, people always have some weird food combination. Now, if you know me, you know I'm always up for some adventure, which is basically me going to try some of these TikTok hacks. When I first thought of this video idea, I saved like 10 videos with the intention of doing all the 10, even making a part 2. But unfortunately, I was unable to get a lot of ingredients. So I think it's around 5 or 4 TikTok hacks that I'm going to try today. First, I'm going to play the videos of the TikToks, then I'm going to be making the food and reviewing it for you guys. I really wanted to do this TikTok food hack where persons had pickles and they wrapped cotton candy around the pickles, but I could not get any pickles. I went to almost every bougie supermarket and I could not get any pickles. If you're from Jamaica and you bought pickles recently, you can comment down below so I could basically go to the specific place to get the pickles so I can do the video. But the rest that I have, I feel like they're fairly good TikTok hacks. I am super excited to try them, especially this jalapeno with takis and cream cheese. I'm super excited to try that one because everyone is so psyched about that. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
So this is definitely one of them TikTok made me do it moments because I see all y'all doing this all the time. I got jalapeno, I got my Philadelphia cream cheese, and I've been stuffing it, and I got my Takis. So I see y'all stuff it in here like that. Okay, I'm stuffing it. I'm gonna put a lot in there. I'm Jamaican, so you know, a little spice in the earth. Let's try it. Not bad. Not bad.
I have to try this one first because I feel like everyone that has reviewed this is doing the most. So I have the jalapeno pepper, the cream cheese, along with some takis. No, I'm not going to lie, I started eating some of these takis because I was so excited about it, but let me just say I am not a fan. It tastes like a sour but spicy Doritos. You're supposed to clean it out. Okay, so here we go. I am going to add the cream cheese. I got the original cream cheese, by the way, because that's the one that I saw everyone using. I am not a fan of the original cream cheese. When I'm buying cream cheese, I usually get the flavored one, like the strawberry one, but this is the one that I saw everyone in the reviews using, so I just decided to get this one. You're supposed to stuff it all the way in. Alright, so it's stuffed. Now I'm going to add my patties. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now for the moment of truth. I mean, it's okay. It's no big deal. Like, alright, let me not be a hater. Let me try this one more time. Honestly, I do not get it. I do not get it. Like, so I know that jalapeno is supposed to be like a form of pepper. It's not that spicy. It's hot, but it's not that spicy. I guess it's because of the cream cheese, but I mean, all these reviews, they give me a vibe like, I mean, this is something that I'm going to finish this off simply because it's not bad. How can I say this? It's not bad, but the reviews I've been seeing, you would think it probably would taste like steak. I would probably give this a good 6.5, 7, because like, it's no big deal. It is no big deal, to be honest. I'm sorry, I'm not even apologizing. It is just my opinion. It is not that big of a deal. You know, may I have to try this one more time because I don't think, am I doing this right? I'm sorry. I must not be doing this right because I do not get it. Me not get it. Like, alright, on to the next one. Oh, I just want to say shout out to this girl. I completely forgot her name. Well, I don't know what her real name is, but I completely forgot her Instagram name. I posted on my Instagram asking where could I get Takis in Jamaica, and she replied and directed me to this Instagram store where I purchased the Takis from. So I'm gonna put her Instagram right here. Thank you so much, girl. And from the page that I bought the snack from, I'm going to post their page right here. Thank you, guys. Now this one is supposed to be like Oreo icicles. I'm gonna do 2. You're supposed to open it, then hold to the top. Basically try to crush the Oreo out. Now you're supposed to smash them or crush them as small as you possibly can. Then you're supposed to add milk. Once the milk is added, you're supposed to put a fudge stick inside of it. Push it all the way down. Then you're supposed to put it in the freezer so it can be frozen. So I'm putting it in this cup, guys, so it could freeze properly. Now I am going to freeze them.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so I definitely need to let these freeze some more, but from what's made so far, it is very tasty. This is a 10. This is a 10. I guess it is basically frozen banana, but it is going to be covered in yogurt. So I got the cookie and cream yogurt plate. They're all covered in yogurt. Now I'm going to put them in the freezer.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so that one is not that bad. Just be prepared for a little brain freeze, but it's fine. I will give that one a solid 8.
Now, you're not supposed to do this, but this how I do it. Now, you also not supposed to do this, but this how I do it. Nobody showed me this, but I'm telling you, okay? So don't tell nobody. Alright, this how I do it.
This Saweetie cup noodles. Now this musician, she's a Cancer gang, shout out to her. She has a crazy habit of eating. So as y'all just seen in the video, that's what we're about to do. So first you're supposed to make the noodle. Okay, so after the noodle is made, you're supposed to add hot sauce and some seasoning in there. And you're supposed to stir it up. After stirring it, you're supposed to strain the water from the noodle. After removing the water from the noodle, you're supposed to add the noodle into a bag of Cheetos. Then you're supposed to mix it up. For the moment of truth, I guess I'm supposed to eat both at once. It's alright. It's okay. It is not as nasty as I thought it would be. I felt like I put too much hot sauces in mine. The hot sauce is overpowering everything, but it's okay. I mean, it's not all that, but it's okay. That's a strong 9. because 8.5/9, because you know it's not as nasty as I expected it to be, and the mixture of the spicy Cheetos with the noodles is good. I'm not going to hype it up, I'm just being honest. It's okay. It's by far one of the best tasting stuff. Like the jalapeno thingy, I rate this over the jalapeno thingy. So but yeah, this is a strong 8.5/9. That is it from me in today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Also, follow me on all my socials at AYAFARRR. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.